Andy Szanger, Director of Strategic Industries here at CDW, and today I'm joined by Jill Klein, Head of Emerging Tech and IoT. Jill, how are you?
I'm well. I'm excited to be here with you talking about all things Executive Summit Las Vegas.
Yeah, it's great to be back with you, Jill. How was the summit for you?
It was great. I love the opportunity to catch up with our customers, coworkers, and partners on what's changing and what they're seeing and what's on the way. How was your summit, Andy?
Yeah, I thought it was great as well. I thought that there was a ton of great energy. The sessions were amazing, and it's always great to connect with our clients and our partners. So, seeing the latest tools and solutions is always worthwhile for me.
Absolutely. There's always so much to see and check out.
Yeah, great. And Jill, I know you led a session about the value of OT data integration in manufacturing, and I thought there was a ton of really great insights into where OT has been, where it's headed. How'd you think it went?
I think it went really well. There's so much value in integrating OT data with IT systems, especially when you bring the modern solutions into the mix like AI and digital twins. How did your session on the power of data in retail go?
I thought it was great. We had a lot of great interaction in the room. Our clients were asking questions about how they can execute on some of the topics we were talking about and really digging deeper. And for me, anytime we can get that type of engagement and interaction during a session, it means that we're talking about all the right things. And so I thought it was definitely one of the highlights of my trips this year, and I can't wait for the next one. So, Jill, thanks for joining me today.
Yeah, anytime, Andy. This was fun.
Well, to everyone watching us today, if you have any questions on how we can help you maximize your organization's data in manufacturing or retail, please reach out to your CDW account team, or feel free to reach out to Jill or myself. We'd be happy to talk with you. Look forward to connecting, and thanks for watching.